Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about perspective and rotation in CSS. The perspective transform activates 3D space for an element. It defines how far the object is from the user, as if the screen had depth. Used by itself, the perspective transform has no visual effect. But when used in combination with other transform, it can greatly affect the final result. And the rotation function rotate elements around a given axis. They take the angle to rotate as an argument. The angle can be a whole or fractional and is given in one of the several units, including deck. Over here we can see for degree, full circle is 360 degree, and then we have grad. For gradients, full circle is 400 gradient, and then we have rad. For radians, full circle is approximately 2 pi radians. And then we have turn, number of turns. Full circle is 1 turn. We'll just remove these. Positive angle rotates the element clockwise. A negative angle rotates it counterclockwise. An element can be rotated more than one full circle. Now we are going to talk about axis. There are 3 axes of a rotation. X-axis goes from left to right across the page. Y-axis goes from the top of the page to the bottom. Z-axis, a 3D axis, goes from the surface of the page out towards you. Now we are going to talk about origin. Rotation also has an origin. The element is rotated around the origin point. By default, it is the center of the element. However, a different origin may be specified by the transform origin property. This will affect the final position of the element. Transform origin is specified as 1, 2, or 3 values. These values correspond to the x, y, and z offset of the transform origin points. These can be size values such as 10 pixel or 25%, or one of the keywords left, center, right, top, and bottom. So let's see about how the rotate and rotate z function works. The rotate and rotate z function rotate an element around the z-axis. They both have the same effect. So first I'm going to add the style element. Already added the style, and now I'm going to add rotate, and inside our rotate I will set the property width to 10 rem and height to 5 rem and a background, and this will be our background color. So I will select green. And you can select more colors from the option over here. For example, I will select this one, or from here, I will go this one is okay for me. So I will select this one. And now I'm going to set the margin property set to 5 rem, and then I will add a transform and rotate to 45 degrees. So this will be transform and rotate 45 degree. And then I'm going to add a div tag inside our body tag. So inside body, I will add a div tag. And the class will be set to rotate. And there will be a text inside this div tag. Welcome to us in code. And now I'm going to open this file in our browser. And here is the rotation around the z-axis. I will again change the color. This one is more darker for me. So a little bit. Okay, this one looks fine. This one is also dark. This one looks fine for me. And now we will learn about rotate X function. Rotate X function rotates an element around the X axis. It is best illustrated when used in combination with the perspective transform. So I will change over here for the, I will remove this one, and I will make it rotate X, and also add perspective with a 200 pixel, and we are going to refresh our browser. And now it is rotated around the x-axis. And now we are going to learn about rotate y function, or the rotate y function rotates an element around the y-axis. So I will just change this one, this x to y, and then refresh our browser with that file. And here is our element rotated around the y-axis. And now we will see how to use a rotate 3D function. The rotate 3D function rotates an element around an arbitrary axis in the 3D space. This is done by defining a direction vector in the 3D coordinate system. The vector is defined by specifying the component of the vector in each direction, S value between 0 and 1. The element is rotated around that vector by the given angle. So over here, I'm going to add for rotate 3D, rotate, and I'll change this to 3D. 1 1 0, and then we have a 45-degree. And also I'm missing the semicolon over here. And now our element rotated in a 3D space. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.